In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to open up a district map view. Now, you'll only be able to view districts if you've created districts in your file. And by default, we have territories assigned to districts and districts assigned to regions. So if your company uses a different phrase for that second level of hierarchy instead of districts, you'll have to change that in the AlignMix options. And there's two ways that we can view our district maps. The first way is from the home menu. You click on the Add View button, click on Maps, and then you can click here on District Map, and the district map will appear on your screen. The second way to open up a district map view is to open up a new tab by clicking here on this plus button, and then select Maps from the top left, and then select Districts. And you'll be able to access your district map using either of these two options. By default, this red number that appears in the center of every single district is your district label, and it shows you the span of control by default, which means the total number of territories that are assigned to each district. And you can change that label in Configure Layers. If you wanted to view a region map, you would use the same process. You would simply click on the plus button and view a region map like so. But remember, you can only view a region map if you've created regions. The same applies for districts. If you haven't created districts, you will not be able to view a district map. And there you have it. You've just learned how to view your district maps here in AlignMix.